And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Shine in the afternoon, it would take that temperature to a whole new level, and we got up into the 60s, and it was a record-setting day. That sunshine now going to give way to, one, darkness, and two, more clouds as we go back into the overnight hours. But what a nice little window in the afternoon to be able to get that sunshine and see the temperatures go way up. I mean, 50s became 60s. It was almost like that when the sun popped. Now we're in the 50s, though Norwood's still hanging on to 60. And a very mild night ahead. Temperatures won't drop much. And from yesterday at this time, the little plus marks means we're about 10 to 15 degrees warmer right now. When I'm talking to you here at 4:16 p.m., we were at 4:16 yesterday. Air mass change happening overnight. The transition was marked by a few little light rain showers throughout the nighttime hours, and they were out of here in time to enjoy the day today. Even though it was a little cloudy at times, it was still warm. And that warm air, it stops in Maine, but just about most of New England and down towards the mid-Atlantic, way above average. And we're going to be able to squeeze out one more warm day before big changes come for the weekend. Whenever your winds are out of the southwest like they were today, and it was a little breezy too. Right now, winds are about 10 to 15 miles per hour. That direction, it just tugs all the warm air up the East Coast and allows those temperatures to reach new heights. Now, here's the warmth we have now. We squeeze out one more day tomorrow where it's a really nice Friday. But look what's waiting in the wings in the northern plains. That's some really cold air. In fact, this is a pretty intense shot of cold air coming for the weekend as we go into Saturday, Sunday, and especially Sunday night. That'll be a really cold night. So until we get there, mostly sunny, breezy. Winds turn out of the west-northwest tomorrow, and the temperatures, maybe not 60, but still some mid to upper 50s. And believe it or not, a cold front's going to be moving through during the day. The colder air doesn't get here until nighttime, so we squeeze out that day in southeastern Mass too. Mostly sunny and breezy for you. And your temperatures, 56 in Taunton, 57 in Fall River, and 57 in Attleboro. When you notice in the evening hours the temperatures falling quickly, after we peak during the afternoon, notice the 6 p.m. temperature already down to 45. If you have plans for Friday night, you're going out, and it's a really warm day, and you think, I'm going to go out with just like a little light jacket. Think again. Bring the heavy jacket. It's going to get cold, especially if you're out, and your Friday night's really good and you're out late. So mild temperatures, East Coast, cold to the west. Here's the game changer. As it moves through, not much precipitation with it. It's just going to bring in that shot of cold air. So I fast forward to this front passing through, the cold air diving in Friday night, and here's your Saturday setup. Cold air in place. Record highs are a thing of the past. Goodbye to those. And look at this, little low pressure in the Ohio River Valley. And as this advances closer to the area, it encounters that colder air. And that's a chance for what turns out to be a very messy Saturday. It's not like a straight up snow event. There's some snow, there's some sleet, there's some rain. We call it the wintry mix. We haven't had to use that yet this winter. Well, probably because it's still fall. So Futurecast, dry Friday night. You wake up Saturday morning, you have a window of dry weather through the early morning. But by about 10, 11 p.m., the onset of the precipitation gets here. And I think everybody's going to start off as snow, even at the coast. But as we progress into the afternoon, it changes over to a little sleet, eventually turns over to a little bit of rain. That process will take longer inland areas. And I think if you're in Providence North, you could pick up a coating or an inch of snow, and there's going to be some slick spots. That rain will continue Saturday night, and it will continue right into Sunday morning before it finally tapers off and moves on out. That's when the cold air comes diving south, and it's so chilly Sunday night. And that'll set up for a cold week next week with high temperatures in the 30s and 40s when winter arrives on Tuesday. Tiffany.
Thanks, Jeff. If you're looking for a way